Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair states that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to like honey and sweet dishes, and after performing the Asr prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would visit his wives and sometimes come close to any one of them. Once he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha and overstayed there. I thereupon asked him about it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a woman belonging to Hafsa's tribe presented her a leather bag containing honey, and she presented Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam some of the honey to take. I said to myself, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will definitely hatch a plan regarding it. So I mentioned it to Hazrat Sauda. I said, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam comes close to you, you should submit. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, have you consumed maghfir, an ill-smelling gum? If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied in the negative, you should submit, then what is this smell? And it will lay heavy on Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam that any smell may be perceived from him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam will definitely say that Hafsa has presented me honey, syrup to consume. You thereupon should say, perhaps the bee might have sucked the nectar of urfat, a thorny tree, and I will pass the same statement. And O Safiya, you should also say the same. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha, Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha states, by that saves him there is no worthy of worship. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had hardly reached the gate when I, fearing you, intended to say what you had told me. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came close to me, I submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, have you consumed maghafir? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I then submitted, what is this smell then? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hafsa has presented me honey, syrup to take. I submitted, perhaps the bee might have sucked the nectar of urfat. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited me, I passed the same remarks. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha, she as well passed the same statement. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam later visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha, she submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should I present you of that to drink? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I am not in need of it. She says that Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha would say, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. We have made it forbidden for him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I thereupon said, keep quiet. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6972.